Firstly, remove the engine cover. This is simply lifted off the engine. The map sensor is located underneath the airbox. To access this, you will need to lift the airbox out of place. Firstly, unscrew the top of the airbox. There is also a clip to the left of it. Loosen the air intake pipe and lift the airbox top cover away. Next, in order to unscrew the airbox, please first unscrew the engine cover mounting posts. You should now be able to lift the airbox and slide it to access the map sensor. This is the map sensor. The boost sensor is located here. Remove the map connector by pushing down on its releasing tab, then pulling back the connector. Connect our map sensor plug to the map sensor. Connect the factory map connector to the corresponding plug on the supplied wiring loom. Remove the boost connector by pulling up on its releasing tab and pulling back the connector. Connect the factory boost connector to the corresponding plug on the supplied wiring loom. Connect our boost harness plug to the boost sensor. Replace all removed engine components. When installing the airbox top cover, please ensure these feet slide into the holders. Replace the engine cover by pushing it back into place. Connect the unit to the wiring loom. Place the unit in the supplied protective bag. Route the unit and harness away from direct heat and moving parts. Secure the unit and tidy the wiring loom with the cable ties provided. If you have any questions, please contact us.